What's up, everybody? Here we are, IA 2018 fall meet. Here we are back at Beech Bend today, so we're going to walk around, show you all the coolest things that we can find. Of course, as usual, we didn't bring our build because it ain't built. So anyway, we're here at IA Beech Bend 2018. Sigurd doesn't want to be on camera as usual. And here we go. Let's go see some stuff, some sights, like the inside of Barry's trailer. Walked around IA for a while. We're going to head over to the showcase in Barry's Drift Taxi, take it over there and turn on the heads and show you guys what's going on over there in the showcase. All right, guys, what's up? Good day out there at IA. Once again, we just love IA, especially at Beech Bend. It's pretty much the best place for it that we've been to, maybe with the exception of Atlanta. Saw a lot of cool stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Go down there in the bottom, like the video, subscribe, come back. We got lots to show you. Maybe we'll drive the Exo wagon one day. Maybe not. Who knows? All right, see you guys in the next video.